welcome back to my YouTube channel and to more yoga with me, Sarah Malcolm. This video today is actually going to be a really nice desk break yoga, and this will be perfect if you've been sat working away at your desk or even on the sofa. I was actually just inspired to film this because I was feeling so lethargic and sluggish working on my laptop like this. So this will be nice to just have a little time to tune in, to breathe, to recenter, to resettle, and just enjoy it. So we're going to start standing. You don't need a yoga mat, you don't need to be in yoga clothes, whatever that means, but you can get straight up and join me. We're going to start standing, feet underneath our hips, feet spread quite wide. So if you feel like your feet are kind of bunched up at all, maybe lift your toes, and then starting from your little toe, your baby toe, spread your toes wide as you land them back down, like you would do with your hands. And then find some softness to your knees, and then a few rolls of your shoulders here. Just settling in, moving through anything that feels kind of really jarring before we find a little bit of stillness. And then find yourself in Tadasana, this mountain pose. Palms face forward, hands quite energized, and then have a slight tuck of your tailbone. So not completely forced and tucked under, but just so your bum's not sort of sticking out backwards. Draw up through your navel, belly button draws in. And then feel this kind of broadness in your chest. Feel as though you're also being lifted by your head. So you've got this length, 360 degrees around your neck. And then just soften through your face, through the muscles around your eyes and your jaw. Notice perhaps if your back teeth are clenching against one another. Just release that. And then let your left hand come to your heart, your right hand to your belly. And just start to breathe into your hands, in and out through the nose if you can. Letting your breath almost balloon through the body. And just really feeling its presence there. Letting it be slow and steady. Nothing is rushed. Especially not taking this time out for yourself. And then together we'll take a really big inhale through the nose. This time open your mouth and just sigh the breath out. Take one more like that. Inhale. Big sigh out as you exhale. Oh yes, so nice. And now on your inhale, you can keep your eyes closed for this whole thing if you wish, or open your eyes. Take your arms out really wide, like you're drawing a big circle around you, and then reach your hands up overhead. Palms touch. As you exhale, draw your hands down through heart center, through prayer now. Yeah, keep this sort of lifted body, and then bring your hands back down by your side. Take that again. Inhale, spread your fingers really wide, reach your arms up overhead, draw in through your ribs. Exhale, hands draw down through heart center. Take one more like that. Inhale to get broad. Can you really reach up through the fingertips? Take up space here in your body. Exhale, draw your hands down through heart center. Inhale to just reach now. And then start to interlace your fingers and bring your index fingers to touch. So we come to Cali Mudra with the hands. Reach your hands up overhead. Now, I know you can't really see my hands here, I'm out of shot, but start to draw a big circle above your head with your fingertips, with your index fingers, like you're sort of painting a halo above your head. And then let that movement come into the shoulders and just explore this space in the shoulders. Maybe you've got a lot, maybe everything feels quite crunchy. Maybe take it the other way. And then just start to let this movement trickle down into the rest of the body. So you might find big circles through the hips here. Maybe the knees bend, just anything that feels yummy to move into it. Intuitively just land in what your body might need, what space will be good to create. Taking it the other way. And then together, inhale, press down through the feet, reach up through your fingertips. Exhale, release the clasp of the hands, take your elbows out wide, broaden through the heart, and then interlace your hands behind your back. Let your shoulders snuggle in towards one another, so they're getting really cozy behind you. Reach your fists down towards the ground, and then as you inhale, press down through the feet, reach up through your heart. On your exhale, soft bend in your knees, let your belly fold onto your thighs, and then come all the way down, forward fold. Chin draws to your chest. Start to bend through one knee and then the other, and just explore a little bit of space with the shoulders as you take the hands left to right. Breath just settles you and supports you. And then release your hands all the way down to the ground. Take hold of opposite elbows. Keep this bending in the knees, and then just take a little rock side to side. Jaws released, no effort in the face. Release your hands back down to the ground, and on an inhale, trace the front of your legs. Let your hands come to your thighs, draw your belly in. As you exhale, refold, just melt back over. Take that one more time. Inhale, trace the front of your legs, hands to thighs, belly draws in, heart space and head lengthen forward, elbows wrap in. Exhale, release. Press down through the feet as you bend the knees and slowly roll up through the spine, bone by bone, just rising up. And then soften your shoulders down your back. Yeah. Take another few rolls out through your shoulders. Any direction, anything at all that feels good to land into. And then we're just going to start to take the arms out side to side with control. So rather than just sort of floppingly, it's definitely not a word, floppily, let's go with that. Rather than mindlessly moving, just find this sort of rhythm to the body. Maybe you close your eyes and just explore how your body can take up space in the room you're in the life you consume. All the good stuff. Letting your breath be guiding with this. And then maybe you just start to shake something out. The hands, the feet, the legs. Just giving everything a good shake. Maybe find a few jumps up and down. Nothing is wrong here. Wherever the body wants to go. Maybe you reach your arms up overhead. And then find some stillness again. Arms down by your side. Lift up through your heart. You might feel some sort of vibration through the body. Take an inhale and reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, draw your hands down through heart center. Lovely. Now just bring your weight into your left foot. Start to catch your right shin and hug your right knee in towards your chest. And just really feel this sort of lifted body here. Inner thighs draw in as you get a little prouder with the chest. Careful not to wobble like me, but so fine if you do. Left hand stays on your right shin as you start to peel back through your right arm. Keep both sideways lengthened. Full breath in here, reach back through the fingertips. And as you exhale, come back through center. Now just start to take your right leg out towards the right. We're going to come to a tree pose, Vrikshasana. Right foot can either come to your left inner thigh, or left inner calf, or all the way down on the ankle. Wherever the body wants to move to today. So fine. Every day will be different with balances. Wherever you feel most supportive. And then press the leg and the foot in towards one another. Let your hands come to your heart. Maybe they stay there. Or maybe they reach up overhead. Option to close the eyes if you're feeling daring and wild. Steady your breath. Oh yeah. Take one more inhale. One more exhale. Release this. Draw your right knee to close in. And then allow your right heel to come towards your bum as both hands catch the top of your right foot. And just draw in knee to knee here. Slight tuck of the tailbone. Draw your belly in. Roll your shoulders and lift proud through your heart. One more inhale. Exhale, release. Right foot comes down to the ground. Maybe just wiggle out through the legs a little bit. And then we take this to the other side. So right foot plants, left leg is caught in your hands, left shin is caught, inner thighs squeeze in, scoop up through the belly and the pelvic floor. Right hand stays on your left shin as you start to reach your left arm back. Find a nice big twist through the body, full breath in here. Exhale, release, back through center with as much control as we can manage. Left leg starts to open wide. Sole of the left foot comes to your right inner thigh, or wherever down your leg that is supporting you. Again, squeeze foot and leg in towards one another. Scoop up through your pelvic floor, hug your belly. Hands can be in prayer at your heart or up overhead. Maybe again you close your eyes. Find something to focus on if you're feeling particularly wobbly. And then just steady out through your breath. One more inhale. One more exhale. Allow your left knee to close and then draw your heel towards your bum. Catch your foot in both hands. Press the foot into the hands as inner thighs draw in knee to knee, and then just allow your pelvis to move slightly further forward as you very so slightly tap your tailbone. One more inhale. And then exhale, release. Little pedal out through the feet. If you feel like shaking anyone, then do. And then find stillness in the body. Hands can come back to the heart for a few moments. Close your eyes. Land back into your breath and the sensations through the body, the beating of your heart. Maybe the thoughts, let them be kind. And then when you feel ready, your eyes can open again. And you can very simply carry on with your day with hopefully a little bit more grace and clarity. I definitely needed that. I hope that was yummy for you. Have lovely days, everyone, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!